I know it might sound somehow to be asking an AI if AI is going to take over the world. It's just like seeing an armed robber right there in front of your house and asking the armed robber if he's going to rob your house. Well, whether you're having that superstitious belief about the advent of AI being a sign of the end time or not, I think that the best way to react or respond to AIs is to learn how you can leverage them in the day-to-day running of your business for the sake of scaling visibility, boosting productivity, and of course, increasing your daily revenue. In this video, we're going to be looking at what AIs are, how you should be reacting to AIs, and then look at 10 awesome AI tools, free AI tools that you should be leveraging in the day-to-day running of your small business. Are you excited already? So am I. Let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning viewer, you're welcome again. And if you're a new viewer, you're welcome. Do make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon down below so that YouTube will always notify you of my fresh video. And whether you're returning or new, you know the culture. Hit the thumbs up button down below so the algorithm can share this video with more people. Without wasting no further time, let's get started with AI tools for small business owners. So a definition I found on Google states that artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. So to a layman, when a computer or a system is programmed to be able to carry out tasks that humans are capable of. Now, it is not really or entirely possible for robots to become a human. At least for now, we've not seen a robot that gave birth. Okay, but robots can be programmed. Computer systems, all right, can be programmed to carry out some day-to-day tasks that is requiring human intelligence. So it is like the artificial intelligence there, when compared with human intelligence, is just making a robot to be able to think, do things like a human being or an animal. Right? So artificial intelligence is when you are supposed to be the one to wake yourself up naturally, and then you set an alarm, because yes, that's an AI. You set an alarm, program the alarm to wake you up in one way or the other, which is always by giving you that heavy sound that wakes you up at by 5 a.m., by 6 a.m., by 4 a.m. All right. So that is you programming a machine, programming your smartphone, for instance, to go off with an alarm that's going to wake you up. So artificial intelligence is just input, man giving over intelligence to a machine to be able to perform tasks that men are capable of. All right, so this ranges from simple tasks to complex tasks. Okay, and we're going to see most of those things when we start talking about the 10 tools, right? The 10 AI tools for small businesses. You're going to be amazed at some of the things that robots or machines or AIs are capable of. Some people, like I said in the beginning, that some people think is a sign of the end time. All right, whatever superstitious belief you have about it, AIs are here to stay, one, and AIs are going to keep getting better. All right, they are going to keep getting better. So what you should do in order not to go out of style as a small business, like for instance, if you're a graphic designer, we now have AI tools that people can just key in prompts and voila, they have whatever they want. Like people that paint, right? We now have AIs that are capable of digital art, like this one I did of my wife and I, right? And so many other things that just by keying in prompts, you're going to get the digital art. And like I said, you've already seen the capabilities of ChatGPT. In fact, I almost wrote this script using ChatGPT. Okay, so what you should do as a small business is to leverage these AI tools to make the day-to-day running of your business less complex, more easier for you, even while increasing productivity, even while also helping you increase revenues. Are AIs going to take over human job? Yes, there are jobs that are going to be taken over by AIs, while there are still plenty more jobs that are going to be created by AI. These AIs will need people who can be able to program it, who can be able to shut it off, who can be able to control it, who can be able to use it. Most companies are going to be asking you, are you able to use something like Dial-E AI for you to serve as, whether it's business developer, whether it's senior developer, software engineer, or whatever, they might ask you, are you able to use this AI tool for this? And when you say no, that is how AIs can be able to replace you. So how you should be responding is, number one, what are the AI tools that are relevant in my field or in my niche? And how can I be able to use it and use it effectively to make work easier for me?
All right, now the tools for small business owners, that's free AI tools for small business owners. So if you're going to stay till the end, I'm going to leave a bonus tool that is quite awesome, and it's a tool that you could use to get pickup lines from AI. Awesome pickup lines. So if you stay to the end, you're going to get that tool as well. This is just like the 11th, that's the bonus of day 10 that I want to give you. So make sure you stay tuned to the end, and I promise all of those tools that we are going to look at is going to come really handy in day-to-day running of the activities in your small business. So the first one we are going to look at is called voicemaker.in. So this tool is used to generate text to speech. All right, that's convert text to speech. So it's called voicemaker.in, and it's awesome. It's free of charge. All right, so over here all you need to do is to key in your script here. All right, and then select your preferred voice, okay, and tap on generate, okay, tap on convert to speech, okay.
AI tools for small business.
All right, so the next, you can just tap and download the MP3. So this is awesome. You can use it in terms of converting text to speech. Maybe you want to create a stock video or whatever, where you just need the voicing on the video. All right, you could use this. So you don't need to stress yourself on creating profile pictures to celebrate the Christmas season. This AI tool called Bradbear.app can help you do that in no time. All you need to do is to upload your image, all right over here. Okay, so when you've uploaded your Christmas your image, next you can just use your hand to adjust the Christmas hat into your own head, and you can choose from the selected templates down here. You can choose from the selected templates down here and quickly create your own Christmas profile picture. This next AI tool is called commontools.org, and it offers a variety of online tools free of charge to carry out different tasks, from text compare code to online for programming, animated gradient, background, online image editor, free invoice generator, source code highlighter, SQL formatter, and so much more, all for free. So you can jump on this tool as well and see how it can help you, whether you're a student, whether you're a teacher, whether you're a developer, whether you're a business owner, and all what's not. This is an awesome AI tool for you. This next tool is used to generate free stock video footage, right? So we already knew about Pixel Pay and the rest of them. This is also another awesome free tool where you can generate awesome video footages for free for your video marketing purpose. So all you need to do is to go to cover.co and then search for whichever keyword that you're looking for a video on, and you're going to find a whole lot of them in avalanche. Use any of them and enjoy. So this next AI tool blew my mind. Imagine you're in a country that does not speak your local language, right? And you need to ask for something, okay? This next AI tool called Think Translator by Google is something that will help you take an image of that thing, and then you get the pronunciation of that thing in that other people's language. Let's see how it works. So we have this tool right now, okay? So I'm going to take a picture of this ring light. Okay, so the next thing you can see, blue. So it actually took a picture of the blue. All right, so for instance, we want to mention blue. All right, so when it took the picture, it captured blue. Maybe if I had used something else, it's going to take a picture of that thing, translate that from English to that language. So if it's not Spanish, all you need to do is to tap on this button over here and then find the local language of those people. Maybe it's French, German, Italian, Chinese, Japanese, Hindi, wherever. All right, so you can be able to translate the name of whatever item, whatever object that is around you, so they can be able to tell that person in that other language so they can understand. Isn't this awesome? The next one is going to be amazing. It's going to blow your mind, so stay tuned. If you know copy.ai, then this tool is going to be really useful to you. In fact, I'm really always amazed at AI tools for copywriting or for content ideas or content creation or content writing, right? Snazzy.ai, and it can be used to generate copy. So if you're a copywriter, this is already a threat to your business, but you can actually use this to generate more copies, write more copies for people, and at the end increase your daily productivity and make more money for yourself. So if you go to any of this place, and you're going to see a whole lot of things that you could use smart copy to do. All right, so when I go to paragraph generator, for instance, I've already registered. Okay, so and I write something like smartphone productivity, okay, and simply type write for me. So it's going to generate different results on smartphone productivity. Then I can just choose from any of them and use them for my copy. So you can see smartphones has become blah blah blah. So this is quite easy. I was able to get this done in less than 1 minute. This is what AIs are capable of doing for you. The next one is even going to be more awesome. Don't turn off here. This next AI tool is an all-in-one media editor. Like, it serves a whole lot of purpose, right? So it's called AI Lab, okay, and when you go down, you can see expand your creativity. You can edit images, edit music, edit videos, and there's a beautiful thing that it does, which is video cartoonization. Just imagine what it would take you to cartoonize a video. So with this, in just few taps, right, drag and drop, and you're able to cartoonize your video. I would like you to jump on this also. When you move over to music, you can see noise reducer, voice changer, and the rest of them. And when you move over to image, you can see image background remover, AI image upscaler. So when you have taken or gotten a picture that has low quality, you can actually use this to upscale the quality of that video, of that image, right? You can also turn photos to a sketch, and a whole lot of features that you can use AI Lab to do. So jump on this, right? It's very easy to use. That's the beautiful thing about AI. You don't need to be an expert. You just drag, drop, and give it its prompt, and voila, it gets the job done for you. So check out this right now and stay tuned for the next awesome
The next AI tool is amazing. I know I say the word amazing a lot because everything is practically amazing, but truth be told, this is awesome. It's called tiny.wow.com, and it serves several purposes. Now, I know I've mentioned the one that is for all-in-one media editor, but this one added PDF editor. So when we go over to tiny.wow and you see PDF tools, right, and it's also for free, you can use it to edit PDF to Word, PDF converter, and the rest. Then when we go to video, you can see compressed video to GIF, and the rest. Then when we go to write, okay, so it can also be used to generate content, right? So if we go to paragraph writer, for instance, and key in our topic, all right, it can, let's say, smartphone productivity again, all right, so and then select the tone. So let's use the professional tone and tap generate. Okay, so once we select the check the capture, it's going to generate a paragraph for us on smartphone productivity. So much more tools on this tiny.wow that is going to be helping your small business. So check it out and tell me what you think. The next one is going to be amazing. 2 more, and then I'm going to give you the very last bonus that is going to, be much more helpful if you're a guy. So like I said, you've already known about chat.open AI, all right. In the same category, also by OpenAI, Elon Musk's team, is DALL-E. So DALL-E is an awesome tool for graphic designers, or if you need any stock image of any kind and can't find it just by searching for stock images on Google. So you could come here, write description of what you want to see, and then I tap generate. Okay, it's going to generate different images, right? Now, these images are not actually from Google search, right? It is actually the AI that is able to craft, okay, that is able to paint an image to respond to this. If you check, this may not be real people, all right, this may not be real people. So the AI automatically generates an image description of the text that you imputed. So this DALL-E is quite awesome. It also offers a whole lot more, like, creating an image, recustomizing your image. That is an image that you've already taken and imputed. So you should also try out DALL-E as one of the AI tools. Websites are very important to small business owners. And we know that to get the website done, you need to, at least know how to design a website, or hiring an expert that's going to charge you a lot, right? But this AI tool called Durable can generate a website for you, wait for it, in 30 seconds. all you need to do is to tap on get started. Okay, and it's also powered by open AI. All right, so when you tap on get started, select marketing, for instance, so that we could be fast, and then I select my company name, let's just say Modigi, and then I tap on next. See what it does. It's going to build a website for me, right? And then I can simply use this website and complete it into an modify it, customize it into my own website. Okay, so you can see it's adding mapping, it's adding lead capture and everything in without me doing anything. You see why I said AI is awesome, right? So my website is ready. So all I need to do right now is say sign up to customize and publish your site, add your hosting, create add the actual things that is meant to be there, okay, and publish. In 30 seconds I was able to generate a website. Now this like crowns them all. Like this is the one that blew my mind the most. I hope this was all helpful. All right, finally, the one that I said I'm going to give you as a bonus is called AIPickupLines.com. okay, so when I go to the AI pickup line, it's very simple to use. AI pickup line right now, you can see, are you made of copper and tellurium? Because you are cool, cute, right? So you could also key in your keyword. Maybe you found a person in a shopping mall, all right, shopping mall, okay, and you want to use where you are, all right, to use as a pickup line. So all you need to do is to key it in, and the next thing it says, is this the mall, or are you just shopping around for my heart? So this is quite awesome. Imagine if you're a girl and you hear this, right? So this is an awesome AI tool that you could use to generate amazing pickup line, right? I hope all of these websites or all of these AI tools were helpful. Just make sure that you bookmark, maybe save this video, all right, and bookmark all of these tools I have mentioned in the video, so that you could be able to use them for the day-to-day running of your business, to make your business workflow much more faster, much more easier, increase your productivity, scale your visibility, and of course make you more money. Thank you for watching.
Was that video helpful? You might want to watch more tutorial videos on my channel, like the one I released recently, and then hit the subscribe button up here and ring the bell so you always be the first to know when I release a fresh video. That is if you want to keep watching videos from me, and of course you want to. My name is Frederick. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.